In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. As you can see, this is my WordPress website and this is the Facebook ad manager of my account. And if you go to the business.facebook.com/ad manager page, you will be brought over to this page. And here you can create a new campaign. So if you have never used Facebook before for ads, it should look like this without any ad sets. So you have to hit create by creating a new campaign and then select conversions, and now you want to hit continue. As you can see here, you can change the campaign name. So I select new campaign 2, then go down till you see next over here. And now over here under conversions, you can see pixel, and here you can create the Facebook pixel and connect it to this website. So you want to hit create pixel, and now you just can hit continue, or you can change the name. Just hit continue, and now you have to select continue what I was doing, and then you have to go to your WordPress website, go to over here to plugins, and then go to add plugin, add new, and you want to type in Facebook pixel. Over here, Facebook pixel, just like this. And then you have to select this one, Facebook. Then you have to select this one, Facebook for WooCommerce. Just install it. And once it's done, you can hit activate. As you can see, now it's done installing, and then activate the plugin. Just do it like this, and then you have to go to find the plugin over here, then hit configure. And now you can hit get started and connect your Facebook ad manager account, as you can see like this. Then hit continue, hit continue again. Basically hit continue a lot, just hit next. And now it's going to link WooCommerce integration to Facebook, just like this. And now it's done. So you can go to the ads manager. Now as you can see here, it says verified pixel. You want to hit that, then hit add coding user partner integration, then select WordPress over here, and now hit continue, and just hit continue again. And this is what we did already. So selecting the installing the plugin, that's basically what we already did. And now you have to hit continue, and now enter in the your name, your domain. Now go back and just hit send test traffic, and now it's going to send test traffic from Facebook to your website. As you can see, this is the website. When you go back, it is going to say if it works or if it didn't work. Then it will say that it's connected, and now you basically connected the Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.